Hello everybody, I hope all is well. I have a great Tara tour for you here today. This is in front of my listing. I just got through hosting an open house for this fabulous townhouse that is just a short walk to the beach and just 7 blocks away from Main Street in North Myrtle Beach. Just an absolutely ideal location. It is at 807 Hillside. The name of this townhouse complex is Ocean Place 2. So the asking price is $288,500. It's been totally renovated. It comes fully furnished, and that's with brand new furniture. Furniture that was put in 7 months ago, but is just like new. And I'm excited to show it to you. The HOA is $225. That includes the pool maintenance. There's a beautiful pool here. It also includes trash pickup. It includes insurance of the property and maintenance, the landscaping. So I'm really excited to show you this fabulous townhouse. We call it the Ocean Place Oasis. It's beautifully decorated and done, and so let's go ahead and take a look at it. So the location is absolutely ideal. This is on Hillside Drive South, and it's a foggy day here, but you can see those high rises there. That's where the beach is. So the beach is just a 5-minute walk, if that. So it's 2 blocks away. This is the building here. So there are 6 townhouses here and 6 single-family homes in this community. So the great thing about that is the peace and quiet that comes along with having a smaller complex. So it's an end unit here. The end units are always fabulous because you have extra light coming in from the windows that are on the side. And my open house, I got a lot of positive feedback. Everyone just loves the colors of these townhomes, single family homes. It's so quaint, reminds them of Charleston. And here is the pool. The pool was just redone too. Pool's been renovated. Of course, we're actually at the end of the year here. This is New Year's Eve, and so it doesn't look as beautiful as it does during the when it's open during the spring, summer, and fall. So here we are, Unit 10. Come on in, everybody. So this is 1,000 square feet total. Heated square footage is 951. So you're coming in, you notice the beautiful color on the walls. This is sea salt, Sherwin-Williams sea salt. Tiled floors as you enter. The stairs that lead up to the upstairs and the 2 bedrooms and full bath up there. A brand new luxury vinyl plank. The woodwork's all been painted in here too, and the trim. All this furniture does convey. So it was just bought 7 months ago and has hardly been used. This is a sleeper sofa. There's a total of 3 flat screen TVs here that will convey. So you have a closet right here. Here is the first full bath. So it's a shower here. That is new tile that's been put in above the shower. So this hallway here with the beautiful decor, the artwork, takes you right into the kitchen. Nice full-size kitchen here. So I got a lot of positive comments on everyone loving the space in the kitchen. Plenty of room. Comes with everything, the appliances, the dinnerware, flatware. It's turnkey, yes it is. So here we have the washer and dryer, and then some storage over here with the shelf. So the view's looking out to the pool. Here is your patio area. So you'd be able to put in a table and chairs here if you'd like. Everything conveys, so you'll get that large grill, gas grill. The storage shed that's filled with everything that you need at the beach. So there's beach chairs in there, beach umbrellas, boogie boards. Everything here has been so well maintained. Again, 6 townhouses and 6 single family homes, a total of 12 units here. And you're just a short walk away, of course, from the pool. There's an outdoor shower here. And here is the back of the townhouse. So a new roof was put in here two years ago, so that's all been taken care of. The HVAC system is 5.5 years old. That's all been taken care of for you. And also the AC unit's been regularly serviced. All right, let's go ahead and take a look upstairs. So this would make a great primary residence, a great second home, as well as an investment property. So short-term rentals are allowed here. Vaulted ceilings, large size master bedroom. You have a nice king size bed here. Very well appointed with the furnishings as well. The 2 nightstands. The bureau here, flat screen TV. Deep closets. All new ceiling fans were put in throughout. So the bathroom here, it is a Jack and Jill bathroom. Here we have a shower tub combo. Okay, so this is the second bedroom. So this comes with 2 twin beds. Just come on over here, give you a better perspective. So as you walk up the stairs, there's 2 entrances. There's an entrance to the bedroom with the twin beds, and of course the master. It's a little linen closet there that you can use as you wish. does have 2 closets here because the way how the bed was put here, opening this closet right here, you could access the other closet if you wanted to. And I actually had a couple that was mentioning how they could put in some twin beds here, which you could do over on this side. And actually, when this was purchased, because my owner, my seller, who's the owner, I actually was his buyer's agent, and he purchased this about 8 months ago, and he's having to move. That's why he has to sell it. So that's the reason here, or else he'd hold on to it. But there were bunk beds over on this side, so that's definitely an option. So this does, with that being said, with the way how it's done right now, it does sleep 6 comfortably. So of course 4 upstairs, 2 downstairs. So that's a sleeper sofa. And this does rent. It was just put on the rental program midsummer, this past midsummer, but it's done very well, and will continue to do so. So if that's something that you are interested in, if you're an investor, or if you would want to be here part-time and then rent it the rest of the time. As I said, of course, short-term rentals are allowed, and they do very well. You cannot beat this location. It's just in the heart of North Myrtle Beach, and yet the beautiful thing about it is you're away from the hustle and bustle of the comings and goings of all the tourists at the beach. The way how it's set back, beautiful palmetto trees go ahead and line the entrance here, and I am on Hillside Drive South. Just a, again, gorgeous looking townhouse. I got a lot of compliments on this today at my open house. So in this road, you would turn right at the end of that little curve, and that would take you right to the beach. And there is beach access parking right there too. And beach access is right there with the parking and everything. And of course, if you're an owner here, parking is free. So I just put this on the market a couple days ago, having great interest here. I'd love to hear from you if you're interested in this property. Please just go ahead and give me a call, get in touch with me. My contact information is right down below. I can be reached at 843-877-5839, and love to answer any questions that you have, or give you a in-person tour of this beautiful townhouse. All right, everybody, take care. Happy New Year.